So we talked about how we brought a very powerful tool for the preparation, which was the Power Notes, right? So I'm sure everybody remembers that. Everybody is utilizing it, as you're seeing when we are going with the live ultimate advanced file classes. And as the new questions were added to the ultimate advanced file classes, I'm adding the Power Notes also based on those subjects. So they will also keep evolving and keep growing as the question bank grows. So Power Notes is going to be a constant feature. The most important relevance of the Power Notes comes handy when you go for the exam. So 10 days or a week before the examination, when you are in the center, then absolutely you know that you can access those notes and you can make sure that you could revise them very well, right? All the topics that we cover in the live classes, all the rule out techniques, all the possible concepts that we discuss for the ultimate advanced file classes, they get reviewed with your Power Notes. And you know that the most important questions for the ADC examination is your ultimate advanced file classes, right? Which includes more than about 2000 questions, and then MegaMaster also has more than 1500 questions. So cumulatively, we have about 3000 plus question bank from the ADC examination concepts, right? So everyone's aware of the power of the MegaMaster file and Ultimate Advanced file, and I'm sure you're doing them well with your study plan, with your weekly plan. So first of all, I would like to know from everybody that you understand the relevance of MegaMaster and Ultimate Advanced file, and you're doing the reviews, you're watching them again, you're watching and repeating the classes as and when we take them every week. Now, before the examination, the revision from the Power Notes is going to come handy. So you have to realize that all the concepts that you are repeatedly watching now and memorizing it and utilizing the same concepts to answer the subject-wise SBQ mock that you take every week. So it is all like how the dots are connected. The program starts from week one and grows and evolves with you till the end, and which is week 22. How from week one you start focusing on one subject at a time, and then you keep moving forward and study the advanced concepts, the basic concepts, the articles, the latest Australian guidelines, and then over the weekend you apply those concepts and learn to apply those concepts to your real examination style questions. Those Power Notes are already on the app, and they will be available for both crash course and full course. So that is one thing for sure. Now, in adding to the element, so as I also do in the live class, as I keep reminding you the basic powerful pillars of your preparation. So as we are in the midway during our program, I want to reiterate the fact that your basic classes, which are your thousands and the past paper classes that you prepare every week for individual subjects, and then your articles that you prepare for every week, individual subjects, and then the live classes that you take with me on the ultimate advanced file classes. And at the end of the week, when you take that very immaculate, highly, with such cautious, curated SBQ mock to test your concepts, and when you see your scores where they lie, it helps you accommodate everything that you need to do for individual subject. For the first 8 weeks, you go from one subject to the other. Simultaneously, you also focus on the therapeutic guideline lectures, ODEL lectures, and also your infection control guideline classes, code of conduct classes, trauma guidelines, and other important and article classes as well. Is that correct? To summarize, everything, each and every pillar is covered when I speak for them, for individual sources, right? Now, from week 9, 10 onwards, once you have completed all the subjects, you start also reviewing your MegaMaster file. And along with that, your revisions for TGs, your revisions for ODEL, and your revisions for all the CV classes, special topic classes, important topic classes also begin. I, and that is the best time that you can also start referring to your power notes and start assimilating all that information so that it immediately comes in handy in the exam. Now we create such comprehensive and expansive base of information and knowledge throughout the first 10 weeks and then 15 weeks. Is that correct? When you review, when you repeat the classes, and when you repeat all these important resources, you are creating a very expansive, intense foundation for your examination. Now, the purpose is for having the last 5 weeks or 7 weeks before the exam, because I will be completing the entire Ultimate Advanced File class by the end of January or max by first week of February. So you would have about 1.5 months before the examination where you would have completed entire sources and syllabus for the exam. Is that correct? Everyone is getting the mental picture, how you're preparing. And then you have entirely 6 weeks at least to repeat, revise, reiterate, and then completely get it and restore it in your memory so that they become recurring to you in the exam. What you really want is that all this extensive information. So suppose we are having 3,000 plus questions for the Ultimate Advanced File, for the Mega Master File. Then from TG and ODEL, say about, we have roughly 5,000 concepts for ADC, hypothetically, right? Roughly 5,000 concepts if we have. All these 5 months you're spending to memorize all those concepts. What do you really want is on the examination day, recollection. Is that absolutely clear? This is the ultimate goal or not? Because everybody is out there studying the same as you do. What stands you apart is how much you can recollect during the exam absolutely correctly. Your accuracy and your ability to recollect the information within seconds, fraction of seconds, will set you apart from the rest of the competition. Because if the top 20%, 30%, 10%, whatever they're going to choose, it is the person with most recollection, the most confidence and clarity and accuracy, they will land the most correct questions. So now the recollection depends upon your repetition. Am I making myself fully clear when I say that? Recollection depends upon the repetition. That is why when every week during the live classes, also when I'm after your live to repeat the classes, to watch them again, you've seen in the app also, like Apurva keeps feeding the classes again and again into the weekly plans. Even after all the, ultimate advanced file classes, which we move with, we keep infusing them to your weekly plan. And sometimes you feel suddenly the week grows, right? You look at it and you're like, okay, suddenly this week has too many classes now. So the purpose of us infusing all these classes and getting them back into the weekly plans. So in the app, if you have noticed, the weekly plan is also growing now. We have expanded it to much further weeks than before, because we want you to repeat these concepts, repeat this information, these resources as many times practically possible before the exam, so your recollection and your accuracy can be better than the rest. That's the sole motive at Winspurt, what we try to achieve for you all. And I'm sure we are doing a good job, a decent job with that. And I'm sure you are doing an amazing job by actually watching and doing the program to the T. So absolutely make sure you're marking all the classes complete when you do that, so that you also have a mental clarity at the end of the program how much you really did. All the quizzes as required must be done. All the classes as required must be done. All the self-study as required must be done. And daily 30 minutes or 15 minutes of self-assessment must also be done. Now, so far, as we are meeting today in the midway, I hope I'm helping you get a further more perspective and clarity in the coming 11 weeks or 12 weeks that we have ahead of us, right? It's always good to huddle up and think about where we are going, how far we have come, and how far we need to go. Now, the crash course students will also be infused into the same program with your same group, but their application access of a course would be different because obviously they are doing it for 12 weeks, so they have limited time. So the difference between the main course and the crash course would be the number of features or the resources are lesser for crash course because they only have to do the last minute most important stuff. That is the difference. Now, what is most important is how you think that I'm talking about is that recollection is extremely important. I'm sure I've given that message very clear and loud for now. And you also have this full clarity that where we are heading in this recollection of information. Power Notes was that ultimate tool which helped you with the recollection of information in the examination, right? That is why when we took the September 24 exam, despite having very low ADC pass percentage, our crash course, our past students, a lot were able to clear and crack it. What came in extremely handy was the recollection of the concepts. Is that correct or not? Is everyone with me? You're ultimately see everybody's preparing almost similar things. Everybody's reading almost similar syllabus, content, the books and resources. But you have to still be in the top cream, and that will come with how easily you can recollect the information and the concept, apply it accurately to the concept question which is at hand, and then apply the critical thinking because of all the techniques that I'm giving you to choose the correct answer. Is that right or wrong? This is the process of securing every question correct in the exam or not. Recollect the concept when you see the question. Now learn the critical thinking skill by ruling out, by identifying the keywords, by focusing on the chief complaint, by forming a provisional diagnosis, and then reaching a correct answer. Now, all these recollection tools, so during the process, it's like a broader preparation. It's like a gross preparation. During the first 10, 15 weeks, first 10 weeks, I say, because that's when you do your each individual subject first time. Then 15 weeks, I say, because then after the week 9, you do for 5, 6 weeks, the second time revision of everything. Then after 15 to week 22, you do the third time or fourth time revision of everything. So that's your very intense gross preparation. Is that right? Now, during the last 1 week and 10 days, you utilize your power notes for your refined, immediate surface recollection and just quick revision. Now imagine a tool. We are also doing simultaneously in power sessions extremely powerful and impactful Australian articles, if you've noticed, right? During the live classes, also ultimate advanced file classes, also we are building our concepts on the ultimate advanced concepts, right? Ultimate advanced concepts during the live classes, we are also doing through our extremely advanced Australian articles and guidelines? Yes or no, please. So that you know where you're at, what you're doing, the intensity that you're putting in the program. All my regular students, they don't have to join my crash course to do less. I will tell you, I'll send you a picture, just message me and I'll send you a picture. What are the features which are not present in the crash course, and you can probably leave them if you are short on time, because you have everything that they have, but they have less resources. So crash course, because it's short, they are not given certain features because in the last 12 weeks, they cannot cover practically those features and those classes, right? So now coming to the big surprise reveal, as I know I'm utilizing this period to also recollect, huddle up, see our roadmap ahead, but also I'm waiting for everyone to be here and be prepared because my big surprise reveal is connected to whatever I said. So everybody knows that recollection is important. And now imagine a tool so powerful that you know if you have 5,000 concepts. And partly, during every live class, I have been diligently writing on my notebook here. So you see my notebook here. Every live class, you have seen me writing down during every live class some hot topics, right? So you have been seeing doing me this exercise in the last, what, 2.5 months now. So every time I've been writing all the hot topics of all the subjects. And there are practically, say, about individual subjects 10, roughly 10, 15. Some may have 7, some may have 10, some may have 18. Like pedo and ortho combined is definitely higher than radiography. So I have accumulated 9 subjects. 9 subjects, as in your basic operative endo prosto, then pedo ortho is combined as we do it. You all know on the advanced file and on your weekly plan, you all know all the subjects, how we are doing it. Then your perio and oral surgery, then oral medicine. These are your first 8-week subjects, how we are doing it. And then, so pharmacology, I've added to your oral medicine, and that predominantly comes under therapeutic guidelines. So therapeutic guidelines, I have not added to the list because TG can never be summarized. TG should never be summarized. Every sentence in TG is a concept, is a question. Anybody giving you notes for TG is actually doing you more harm than good. So do not make TG notes. Do not try to get TG notes because TG only make memory notes. Is that right? When I tell you and teach you how to memorize TG, write on your sticky notes, put on your wall, and you send me a beautiful piece of art walls and send me those pictures where you put all the sticky notes. TG, just put on the notes and to memorize some, drug regimes and some heart tables. But do not summarize and keep the notes and then just, read TG once and then continue to do notes. No. Every single time, 5-time TG rule, 5-time Odell rule, do not forget that. Do not forget that. Whatever I'm going to add and reveal today will not take away 5-time TG, 5-time Odell, or 5-time any other guideline rule. Okay, first of all, is that clear for everyone? Yes, it might help you with the self-study plan that you're doing. So everybody worries about the self-study plan, right? Because it takes about 2.5 hours, and you have to do that plethora of 200 articles that I have provided you. Is that right? I mean, I know it's painful, but it's also extremely beneficial. These hot topics are only for my private crash course and full course. Dentist Khan, so it's not for anybody else. It's only for private crash course or full course. What I'm going to reveal, this feature would be applied to full as well as crash course. So now the self-study is absolutely, I know, gruesome for many of you. You struggle because you can watch classes when you're walking, when you're commuting, when you're doing your chores, you put your headphones on, and I know you watch them, or at least listen to them and continue your plan. But what really struggles you or actually makes it difficult for you is to stick with your 2 to 3 hours daily self-study plan. Now, I cannot guarantee you that for the first 8 weeks, I want to take that off because I want it to be as is. But imagine a tool so powerful that after 8 weeks, it can replace that self-study part with something which can be quickly done rather than spending 2.5 to 3 hours for article revision on a daily basis, but maybe probably 1 hour on a regular basis, and maybe in a week you're done. right? Would you like something like that? You spend 1 hour per day on self-study after week 8 and you're done and sorted and it's reviewed. Maybe 10 days for each subject. So after week 8, you have still, say, how many? 14 weeks. So that means if you even give more than a week to per subject, 1.5 week per subject, you're sorted. All the subjects will be reviewed by March. In the next coming 14 months would be roughly, 3.5 months. It would be done. So imagine a tool that powerful, which will not just come in handy just for the last 7 days, because Power Notes was for the last 7 days or for the last 10 days. And yes, while you're doing your ultimate advanced file, even during the last weeks, you can start brushing through the Power Notes. But they are extremely helpful in the last 2 weeks for sure. Because I remember how many of you sent requests to Apurva before the exam, and she's like, I'm literally carrying my device changing, laptop with me everywhere I go because I keep getting requests every 5 minutes. You want it all on your phone, right? For the examination, for your quick reviews of your Power Notes. So I know how they helped you during the last minutes and last days also for the exam. Now, this tool, immediately you can start practicing from week 9 onwards, the moment you do all your 8 subjects extensively, right? Now, the tool that I'm going to reveal would be and is inspired by our, like, all the hot topics list that I have been generating and creating. As you can see here, like, I like to keep it all messy and, full, because it shows the effort. Because, as we were going with the ultimate advanced file classes and a new question comes up, and I'm like, okay, this is a hot topic. This gets repeated in so many forms, so many variations. What if we could accommodate, accumulate, bring together everything that there is to know related to ADC and Australian guidelines at one place for all the hot topics? How would that sound? How would that? I mean, I would have loved to have all these tools that I keep bringing for you all during my own, preparation. So I think the passion that comes every batch to create a tool better, to develop an app, to develop a feature where the classes are available. And because I also, when I was preparing, I also reached out to many mentors and wanted to join a course. I couldn't because I had little daughter at that time, and their classes were literally in the middle of my peak family time. And I knew I had to say no to them, that because I couldn't commit that peak family time to my class time. And I was like, only if they would, give me that, facility that I can maybe watch it at my own time, or they were doing it at some other time. All those, little things and events in your life, they shape you. They kind of help you create something that you were looking for yourself. So I realized after I did 10 hours daily, 10 months study, I knew how gruesome it was, because I had no correct files, I had no references, I had to dig everything myself, even correct the files myself along with my study partner. But it wasn't easy. And after the end of that 10-month, 10-hour gruesome, yearly, never ending effort, I realized, what if any mom like me was given an opportunity where a program is not 10 months but 5 months. You don't have to study 10 hours but maybe 6 to 7 hours, and you don't have to compromise and sacrifice your family life to prepare for this exam. Hence the wind spirit. One simple reason I do this, because I know there are moms like me, there are dads like me who are invested in their family, who are invested in their own growth, yet they will never compromise for the love of their family. Because I felt that, and I respect that, and I know I will support my students 100, not 100, 200%. If they're doing something and they're doing it for their family, my respect for them is even twice and thrice. So, and if you're single but you're doing it for your parents, right? It counts equally, because they are the second set of kids, right? After a certain age, what we do for them. So I know I have some young students also whose parents sometimes call me and tell me that they want their kids to do this and they're invested in their kids' growth. And then the students tell me that I want to do it for my dad. And my dad is such an established dentist and I want to make him proud. So even I know that even if you're single, but I know that this journey is not anyone journey is not alone. It is it is either it is for someone that they love also other than themselves. So what I totally respect about each ADC candidate is that this journey is so much more in their life rather than just taking an exam and getting into a system. It's about getting a new life altogether. So my passion and my motivation comes from that love that you guys are striving despite all the challenges, all the emotional, financial hits and roadblocks that you go through. Despite that, you don't stop. Then I should also not stop. What makes me entitled that I should also stop? If my students are not stopping, then being if I'm invested in them, then it is also my responsibility to not stop and consider that I have achieved perfection. There is nothing that I can add more. It is a perfect course? No. It can be almost there. It can be the best out there. I can vouch for that. But is it perfect yet? No. No. If it was, then what am I even doing and working for, right? There's no point. So with every day's last 2.5 months, you have seen me jot down each concept, each hot topic. There was a reason behind it and a purpose behind it, and I understood and I heard you when you said that you can't do the 2 hour daily, 3 hour daily, especially the repeat, because if you do the articles once, it is not likely that you will remember it. Is that correct or not? Because recollection is absolutely everything. Recollection of the facts is everything. And if I know that, and if I keep telling you, but if I don't hear you, that what are your pain points, that then what? I'm not doing my job. I have to hear your pain points. I have to work on them, and I have to keep bringing you how to solve your problem. So suppose first time 8 weeks in that intense, environment, you do all those articles, but after that, repeat also. You're like, okay, I need to focus on other revisions as well. I have to revise TG as well. The classes have also increased for revision. I don't get enough time, and I should do self-assessment also more. Then what should you do? Then the tool comes in handy. And I hope everybody is ready for the reveal. So for each subject, after week 8, week 9, we will bring you a revision tool, right? These are hot notes, right? So along with your power notes, you have hot notes, and they would be subject wise. So this file here is operative, and they will be added to your app section. And yes, thank you so much. I see such beautiful smileys here. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, I'm so happy that you're excited. I'm elated. Like I'm having goosebumps. I'm just shivering with excitement just to reveal that these will be called your hot notes, which are your high priority organized theory. You know, I'm a sucker for these acronyms, right? I mean, if you know me so far, you know it, right? I'm like, I keep telling my team that, you know what, we'll have to have an amazing acronym. It can be called hot notes, but it has to mean something, right? So it is high priority organized theory notes, and these will be, I will start putting them. So I've created at least 3 subjects already, and I know for the next batch, of course, Bhargavi, they will be added from the beginning only, right? Because it will help those who are repeating the program, or it's their, for those who join me for dual course. But this I will start adding to the current course right away. After this class, I will publish it there. So you guys will start having access. Yes, these will be available for crash course as well. Power notes also will be available for both crash course and full course as well. Exactly, Subhaya. To read article is really painful. And if you imagine have all the information, suppose I told you it's not just articles, but I also dug into Sturdivant. I also went to Odell chapter tables and also brought some TG important information. But that's what I'm saying. You're not skipping doing your Odell 5 times and TG 5 times and ICG 5 times. But I'm just saying that your daily self study, other than your revision, would be swapped with all the hot, high priority, organized theory in one place, right? So you want to see how it looks like? I cannot reveal much. You will have to explore it yourself because it's a public class, so I'm not going to reveal all the pages, but few pages. Are you ready for it? So here goes our disclaimer because these are extremely valuable. We work hard. We don't launch any feature or launch any tool just for the sake of it. And, we just bring anything and throw it on you just because we fancy doing anything randomly. I don't like to do things randomly. I don't like to be spontaneous. Yes, I keep thinking on things. I keep, let them cook slowly and then I work hard to achieve. Erica, this one is a 91 page file. So it would be uploaded immediately after class. I'll send it to Apurva. She'll upload it on the app where your power notes are on the document section of the app. So operator would be available. I'm just wrapping up the endo and perio in 2-3 days. It would be all done as well. So as and when subject keeps getting completed, I'll continue to post them there. Okay. So every file will start with the list of the hot topics of that subject. As you can see, practically 7 hot topics. Yes, this is absolutely an early Christmas gift, Tejal. Yes, this is Santa came early this year, so you can absolutely be happy and excited. So all these hot topics would be given to you on the front page that is relevant for that subject. So the first topic is tooth wear. So you would go to remember all the erosion articles that we have, the Sturdivant chapters that I make you do. Then PG talks about it a little bit, erosion and everything. Then Odell talks about it. The tooth wear chapter, the highly coveted, very infamous Odell chapter number also you must remember, no? 61, 62, I think, if I'm not wrong. What's that Odell case number? From the 3rd edition, at least that was 61, 62. I don't know from the 4th edition what that would be, right? So the tooth wear chapters and everything, here it is, the hot notes. So tooth wear is here. All the pictures are there, so you can, and I have written the sources as well. Okay, thank you, Lakshmi. I'm sure you can see that happiness and I can palpate it too. And yes, these are bombs. These are bombs, Bhargavi. So I've put all the sources also. If it's coming from Sturdivant, I've added. If it's coming from Odell, I've added. Right? Then whatever the concept is, the source will be mentioned. So you know whatever you're reading is not thought generated. It is all the references brought together at one place. So if this is remember the erosion article, everyone? Anyone who remembers this table vaguely? I've showed you this table so many times in Ultimate Advanced File classes as well, right? You've done this in the articles also. So all the important tables also, we've brought it here. Okay. So all the surfaces which get affected, these are commonly asked questions, right? So you just have to have one spot and one stop, both ways, one spot and one stop revision tool for all these important hot topics. right? So all the tooth wear, erosion, attrition, how it looks like, what the tables are, what the restorative materials are, everything would be given here. And the sources of Odell, TG, and articles, and Sturdivant, and wherever relevant, whichever for Perio, like it would be Carenza and stuff like that, right? So they would keep coming, then sources would be mentioned, and everything would be at one place. So, for example, this was the approaches, conformative and reorganized approach, just the important table from the Odell, it's there. So that in the last few days, you don't have to go back to the Odell also, because in the last 7 days, you can't review them, right? But do not forget your 5 times Odell and TG revision. Am I making myself absolutely clear? Nobody forgets the 5 time rule. Now, this is how tooth wear is. It's a big topic, you know. Then the cracked tooth. Anyone remembers how much cracked tooth articles we have collected over the years? Can anyone even keep a track? Because I can't. Like every time there is, I have to check the year of the article and then talk about it. And this time, you remember when we did the power session also on the crack tooth, the latest crack tooth article came up, and every 2 years they're reviewing crack tooth and they're bringing the new concepts, and then we have to stay updated on that. So this is from the most latest crack tooth articles. All the latest articles have been used and all the information put here, right? So crack tooth is also again in Odell. So Odell case 11 is there. So we have used that. Then we have used your articles, all the latest ones. And even remember, I'm sure everybody remembers this infamous flowchart for the crack tooth associated with pulpitis. Oh my God. This again, we go back to this, we go back to this, we use this to apply the concept to our questions, right? So it's also available there. So all the important flowcharts and tables we are bringing here. Then caries diagnosis, one of the crucial topics, caries risk. All the caries risk articles that we have, the operative is loaded with all the caries articles. All those pictures, all those important references from the MID principal articles, all these articles, important Evans tables, anyone, it's all here, right? So similarly, for all the hot topics, this is your one entire file for all the most important operator. It is perfection, Biki. Yes, I would totally love to take that compliment. It is state of art. It is perfection because we don't like to do at Winspurt anything which is not, or which is average, or which is random, which is just, just to be out there and show that we matter. No, we do stuff that really matters for you, not for what matters for us. It is super book, yes, Pujan. If I printed it, it really would become the textbook that you don't have to read anywhere else from. Mhm. So, yes, it takes time. It will take time for more subjects to keep coming as well. But 3 of them are already ready, and fourth and fifth are already in process. So, you know that at least every week it would be all added there. So, this is how all those topics would be covered. And the operative, I think, only had 7 topics, but rest of the subjects had 12, 10 more. Pedo and ortho would be combined. I might make it separate files or combined, but I have 18 topics, pedo and ortho combined. So 9 topic, I think, per subject there. So it's all very organized. It is high priority organized theory, as you can tell by the name. So it will be all organized, and it would be one-stop solution for all your revisions needs after week 8. It will start. And for the crash course also, you will get these. So you can start reading these, because for crash course, I've not given you all the articles. But with these notes, you would actually have the important information from all the articles, right? Yes, and this was our big surprise. And now let's talk about the crash course which is coming. So as you can see, can you all see my screen on the crash course app curriculum? So this is called your work, which is your Winspert ADC refresher course. And it contains the weekly plan, which is for week 11 or 12. I have not added any classes for the last week. Thank you so much, Aurora. I'm so glad you loved it. Bhargavi, thank you. Everybody, and I wrote, and I must read some amazing comments were there, feedbacks were there. Kinza, that has been so beautifully written. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, everybody. Yeah. So this is like, thank you, Mumtaz. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you individually. Devika, I'm telling you, Ma Saraswati did come today. I respectedly asked her to, to come join me in today's class, and I think she heard me, and she did. I can tell you, Devika, before starting the class, I very respectfully asked for her presence, and I told her it's going to be her to reveal this surprise, and I think she did this. I'm going to remember this comment forever, Devika, because she's always present with me before I start any of these classes. All right, guys. So crash course would be 12 weeks, which will start next week. We'll have an official orientation next week also. Today, I'm going to be giving you just a brief. You can, I'll ask my team to put my WhatsApp number. You can go to my Facebook page and ask for the course details as well. And the sample classes also would be provided if you require. So every week is given all the classes that you need to watch, because what I'll make you do is once you join, all the missed Ultimate Advanced File classes you will catch up with. And then simultaneously you'll work on the Mega Master, because rest of the batch would also be starting the Mega Master then. And all these 8 weeks, you're not going to do thousands in past papers, but you will do the Ultimate Advanced File classes for sure, which are the most important ADC material. Along with that, you will get 2 Ninja mocks as well, which will be for the month of December, January, and February. So you're going to get 3 Ninja mocks this time. So you will get the January, December, January and Feb, level 3, 4, and 5. So you'll get 3 Ninja mocks. And also, again, it was a surprise, but I'm sure everybody already knew. I've talked about it also. In month of January, we will have our X-ray practice tests and ICG, infection control guideline mocks. There will be about 2 mocks for each of these sources, 2 X-ray mocks and 2 infection control guideline mocks. So radiography also needs its mocks, and infection control guidelines also needs its mocks. So you're going to get those as well in the crash course also, and then the full course also in the month of January, right? So yeah, this is the basic crash course layout. You will get all the Ultimate Advanced File classes, the Mega Master classes, the CV and the special topics and important article classes. Along with that, you will get for the self-study the hot notes and power notes both. When the mocks are concerned, you will get 3 level ninja mocks, and then you will get your infection control guideline mocks, you will get your X-ray practice tests, and also 2-day exam style exact grand mock, which will be over 2 days, 4 sections, each section for 2 hours, 70 questions. So 14 SBQs per section, exactly to replicate. And the grand mock also I'll bring in early before the exam, because what I'll do is, because it's extremely intense, the grand mock experience is also not an easy experience, right? Taking the exam for 2 days, even in a simulation environment, your nerves will be fired. So I don't want to keep that 2-day grand mock just before the exam, because I don't want you to go to the exam tired. So what I'll do is I'll finish the Ultimate Advanced File, the full syllabus by first week Feb. And then probably by the second or the third week, we will just have our grand mock, so that then you have time to review your grand mock questions and review and analyze your mistakes and work upon them, and also recuperate from that exhaustive experience. Does that make full sense for everybody? So that we are not doing it just before the exam and we are not tired of that experience. We don't want to go tired in the exam also. Because if I tell you before the exam to rest well, to sleep well, to eat well, because your physical stamina and mental stamina both are important on the exam day. Is that correct? Is everyone with me and understands the rules that we are setting? So far, you have done these 9 weeks with me. As you move forward in the coming 11, 12 weeks, remaining 12 weeks, you know that the ground is even set stronger, the rules are set even stronger, and more discipline and sincerity is still needed. But I'm sure this midway huddle helped you gather that motivation. I hope it did, right? So I hope this midway huddle will also give you more motivation to continue and come out even stronger, catch up with your backlogs, and continue to do even better in your further preparation. And on the exam day, you will absolutely shine, because when all this honesty, sincerity, and dedication, when all these three things go, your thoughts should not be corrupt. You should not think bad about others. You should be genuinely, sincerely doing your job without harming anyone. And you're dedicated and sincere in all your efforts. Then the highest and the highest of the powers, they work not just with you, not just for you, they work through you. So the highest powers will come and they walk through you so that your patients receive the highest level of treatment through you. Trust me, when you give honesty, 100% clean intentions, do no harm, and your sincere hard work, when you combine the genuine gold cleanliness of your heart, the cleanliness of your thoughts, and your hard work, your intentions and your hard work, your effort, when you combine these two things, then nothing can stop you. Then the universe doesn't work with you, it doesn't work for you, it works through you. When I say it works through you, means when you are there in Australia working as a practicing dentist, the universe will work through you and your patients will get the best treatment, because it's not you who's doing it. It's the highest power who's working through you. So is everyone ready to work on their highest potential and get the maximum benefit of the highest potential to work through you? Yes or a no? So I'm sure everybody is ready and everybody is now willing to move forward with even 200% more dedication, more honesty, and more positivity. And through that, we will achieve success. There is no way anybody can stop the wind spurts to be at the top, and that we will be, because we are doing everything with that highest power by our side, by doing no harm and just doing an honest, clean, hard work and sincere efforts with the greatest good in our heart, right? And that is why we are the true winners, because result outcome is just one thing. A true winner means if you have set your heart in the right place, and if you have set your intentions in the right place, and if you are working hard honestly without cheating, because you're not doing it for me, you're not doing it for anybody. If you just say that I'm studying but you're not giving your 100%, you're being honest for yourself. So when we achieve all of this goodness and honesty and sincerity, then definitely you're already a winner even during the process. Right? So I think that would be it for the brief of the crash course today as well. When you join the crash course, you would also be given your drive access. So A drive access would also be given to you along with the app access and the mocks that I've already explained to you. And the drive link would be put to the app only. So under the app section on the left side, under the resources, you will find the drive link on which all the important files and articles would be there. If you have any more questions on the crash course, do message me on WhatsApp or to my team on Facebook page. Usually my team answers on the Facebook page and I answer directly on my WhatsApp. So both ways, wherever you may reach out, you'll always know that we are always connected. We are always talking. My team and I continuously discuss what kind of queries and questions we are getting asked, and we pay full attention to that. So it's a very close-knit team. That's how we work. So even if you're talking to one of my team members or you're talking to me, it's one and same. So you know that we are always part of the network, and we always keep a tab on who is asking what and what are the real questions out there for us. And we hear those questions and we work on them. Let me tell you, we always listen. And whether you have technical issues, you message Apurva or my Facebook team, my Winspurt admin, whoever you may reach out to, you always know that we are always closely working upon to help you guys. So thank you so much. And it meant truly a lot. Thank you for being a fabulous audience and receiving the gift with so much dignity, respect, and love. I couldn't have asked any better reception than this. Thank you. Your words were heartwarming. And I wish you all the best and success and the sincerity and the courage and strength from within so you can continue to study hard for the next 3.5 months that you have before the examination. And always know I'm just a message away on WhatsApp. Any doubts you have, as we are connected every day, you know it. Just drop me a message and I'll always answer you. Thank you so much. And we'll have an official orientation for the crash course next week. And the March applications are also open. So if you're planning to join now, it's still not too late. As I've showed you, the crash course will prepare you for the best of the capacity with the best of combined cumulative information. So make sure you join the crash course, even if you have not joined any program yet. This is still a good chance and opportunity because we still have about 3 months and 1 week precisely. So there is still a lot of time for you to cover the crash course. So drop me a message and you can join that and be part of our community. We are very loving, close-knit, and positive community. I take extreme proud in that we maintain a very positive and we foster all the goodness in our community. We don't do things any way which harms anybody, and we don't let people down. We lift ourselves up, we lift each other up, and we care even despite being in competition in our group, we still lift each other up. That's how we look at competition, and that's how we work. That's our work ethics. And when you join this Winspurt community, you will palpate it, feel it, and the love that we all share. You will be part of our Winspurt family. So I'm looking forward to have you all, and we'll meet for our next class this week. Thank you so much, guys, for all my enrolled students. I'll see you on Wednesday session for our Ultimate Advanced File for the pages. Thank you so much for being wonderful, wonderful audience. I'm so happy that you could join and receive the gift. Thank you. I'll just upload the HotNote operator file in some time, and then as and when the new subjects are ready, they will be uploaded too. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead.